As some of y'all might know, I've been developing visuals using Touch Designer for Lubbock Symphony Orchestra. I'm so excited to finally share some of these things that I've been working on for months. So let's check it out. Pretty big place. Do we have to reverse? What do we gotta do?
Yeah, will you spot me back? Well, because I can't make the...
It's not that heavy either way.
Documenting. I need this documentation.
We got the screen up now. 300 square feet.
Don't film this.
I'm not filming you.
Good.
So I'm sending a pattern out of Touch Designer. This isn't the pattern. So right now we are troubleshooting this edge blending for the two projectors. It's kind of a critical setup situation. So if we can get this figured out, game on. Boom, mission accomplished. Yeah, I'm here with Stuart Blaylock. Dream team. Seriously wouldn't have happened without him. Here's what's going on. Brandon is sending me an audio signal to my I/O, which Touch Designer is taking that information and based off the parameters that I set up, it's creating real-time generated graphics. The art direction is by Scott Ferris at Amusement Park Studios, and the orchestra is going to be playing. It's going to be beautiful.